I always cleaned the wrong microwave and didn't know. Now I do it like this, quick and practical. Guys, look at you guys, who need to clean your microwave. For what? It's dirty, colorful, and sometimes has a bad smell. And you're wasting your time scrubbing. You don't need that. I'm going to give you some very good advice, so we can clean all our microwaves. And it also removes the bad smell. It's very quick, and you'll use things you have at home. Let's go ahead, and for this, you will do the following. Go get a lemon. We're going to take this lemon here, and we're going to cut it in half. So now you're going to get a container. And we're going to take this lemon, and we're going to squeeze it. Any lemon juice? Do that with the 2 pieces and the bagasse, don't you throw it away? Leave it in reserve. We will use them too. After that, we will need a glass of water with approximately 200 milliliters. Just put it here. Then just finish with the spirit vinegar, but guys, it has to be the spirit vinegar, it can't be any other type, and here we're going to put just 2 spoons of vinegar. 1 is 2, and now I mix it really well. And remember the bagasse, we're going to put them here now. Let's go. I'm going to show you how we're going to clean this microwave, and here's what we're going to do first, as you can see. My microwave is very dirty. I heated things without the splash guard. To leave it like that to show you how we can clean it. And what are we going to do? Let's get the mixture from our tip and put it here inside the microwave. In the personal sequence, we will put 2 minutes. All right? So let's go ahead, and I'll show you. I'm running out of time here, and the big secret is this. Now we're not going to open the microwave, we're going to leave it here closed for another 5 minutes. And what will happen here? Evaporate our ingredients, mainly lemon and vinegar. And that's going to help melt it. It's going to sweat all over the microwave. Then it will melt all the dirt and grease, and it will be much easier to clean. Above all, it will also remove that bad smell if it smells like fish. Very strong meat Canada will help, so let's leave this here and I'll show you. And good people here, the 5 minutes are up. I'm going to open up and look at what I'm saying. Watch this part here. Totally sweaty, you guys? Here you run your finger, you can remove it, and look how wonderful it is, it melts all the fat. Very pleasant. And there's also a lemon smell in here, right? So get rid of that bad smell already. What should we do now? You can withdraw here. Be careful, it's a little hot after removing it, it just comes with a cloth. Here, I use paper towels anyway, and you come here to remove the excess dirt. Look how wonderful this trick is. Very good. And it's ready, guys. I finished cleaning, and look how wonderful it is, and I didn't even spend 5 minutes. I cleaned the plate also very well indeed. Now just put everything together. Do you have a bathroom microwave with a bad smell? Don't waste time scrubbing. Do this trick, I'm sure it will help you a lot. I hope you enjoyed it until the next video.